Welcome back as you continue by learning about the safety and care of pliers and gripping tools. As with all tools, pliers should be handled and used with caution. Finger injuries can easily be incurred if used incorrectly. As a general rule, keep your fingers outside the handles when compressing or applying a force. Naturally, you must also keep your fingers well away from the jaws and cutting edges. When cutting objects such as split pins, it is advisable to use a piece of rag over the work. This will protect you from injury as the offcut flies off. To avoid damage to the cutting edges of pliers and snips, do not cut hardened wire, nails, springs, or small bolts. Severe and non-repairable damage to your pliers will result if you misuse them. When using pipe wrenches, adjust the jaws in such a way that they just fit over the work. It is the sharp teeth of the pipe wrenches that bite into the workpiece surface and provide a powerful grip. Firm pressure, made only by pulling, should be applied on the handle once the teeth have a positive grip onto the work. Always apply pressure by pulling so that the movable jaw tends to pull into the work. Never use a pipe wrench on nuts, bolts, or studs. This will cause severe damage to fasteners. On all gripping tools, the teeth should be clean and free of grease and other matter. If the gripping surfaces are dull, meaning worn, then the tool becomes useless and dangerous. These tools are now only suitable as scrap metal. With extensive use and after many years' good service, your pliers will need replacing. Hinge pins become worn, cutting and gripping edges then do not line up, and the tool becomes more of a hazard than a help. Replace any worn or damaged tools. If the insulation on electricians' pliers is not perfect, then a severe risk of electric shock will be present. However, with careful use and proper maintenance, there is no reason why pliers and gripping tools should not last many years. A light coating of oil on the metal parts during storage will prevent rusting and seizure of hinge pins. An occasional few drops of oil on the threads of clamp grips and pipe wrenches will prevent seizure and jamming of the adjusting mechanisms. To end this program, it is suggested that your valuable pliers and grips be covered up and kept under lock and key when you're not around. You can learn more about basic hand tools by viewing other programs in this series.